All right, another vehicle that we had a lot of fun with is the 2021 Wrangler 4xe concept. And we were inspired by the 2021 Moab Magneto concept vehicle that we showed this previous April. A lot of the same color scheme that you'll see. And what we wanted to do here was show our customer that they can raid the Mopar and Jeep Performance Parts catalog and create something very similar to this very easily. We also had some fun with some colors and a few concept pieces that we put on here as well, starting up front with the custom light bar that we've added to our Jeep Performance Parts bumper. Really integrates well, protects the front of the winch. Something else that I really love about this is that we have our Jeep Performance Parts Beadlock wheels on here. Really sets the vehicle, creates a great stance. Also, we have our 2-inch lift kit, which is custom tuned industry first for the 4xe PHEV vehicle. Also, we have our rock lights as well for night climbing, and you can see it illuminating the front of the front tire, and also in the rear it illuminates the front of the rear tire as well for improved visibility. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we have our 5-inch LED lights, accessory lights. We have our Gorilla Glass, which is 3 times stronger than the normal windshield as well, so great for off-roading. We have our Jeep Performance Parts rock rail, and something else we had a lot of fun with too was the tube doors. Normally these are, they come from us in black, and we had some fun painting them body color, and it really accented the catskin Mopar blue seats, really makes them pop. A few of the other features on the interior is we have our 3-piece vinyl floor, which is a great thing for, again, off-roading, being able to hose the vehicle out really well. We have the drain plugs in there. And we also have our Mopar pedal kit and our grab handles, which are ever so useful when you're out on the trails. On the rear of the vehicle, we integrated the Jeep trail rail that you see. And something else that I really love is the Jeep Performance Parts fold-down table. And we have a onboard compressor that we've integrated into this concept as well. This vehicle demonstrates just a few of the over 500 Jeep Performance Parts and Mopar accessories available to our customers. We're really excited about it. There's even more to see on this vehicle, and I hope you have a look at SEMA.